So I'm going to use my electric kettle to make some tea. I haven't actually tried this yet since I bought it off Amazon about a month ago. So I'm going to try it out. Because my big jug of water ran out like a couple days ago, so yeah. Alright, so this is my kettle, and so what I have to do is I have to fill it up with water, so just enough so that I can make my tea. I don't need a whole lot. That should be good. And then you just close the lid, and then you stick it back up on here. Then you plug it in. We're gonna hit the green tea. Okay, and then when it reaches the 176 degrees, as you can see, then it'll be ready and I can pour it into my cup here. And I'm telling you, like, this thing is super handy. So we're gonna see how this works. As you can see, it's going like pretty quick, huh? Yeah, I'm not going to edit this video because I want everyone to see, like, from the moment that I put the tea bag in the cup, from the moment that I fill it up with water, and then when I heated it up. Oh, and you can hear it now getting warm. It's sizzling. You see, that did not take that long to get super hot. This is like literally better than a stove, a microwave. Okay, it is done. Let's test it out. Look at, you could see the steam coming out. Alright, so that's how much water I ended up putting in the kettle. Then I'll just unplug this. And then feel the cup. Ooh, that is hot. You see the steam coming out of this? The cup is really hot. Oh my goodness. Wow, this is amazing. This kettle right here, 40 bucks on Amazon. Look at that. That is badass.